Hi guys, I am Mama Twin and I'm coming to you today just giving you a snippet of my gallery. I absolutely love food and I know some of you guys do too as well. So I just decided to just sit some of these beautiful luscious looking pictures of my food, southern cuisine as I call it at its finest. Once again, I am Mama Twin. Please stay tuned for other videos to come. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on my video. And make sure that you follow me on my other social media sites. Thanks for watching.